making urban growth and urbanization the development challenge of the 21st century.
The new project stems from the UN Habitat Tree program aiming to rectify inherent distortions in urban planning with a view to foster housing schemes and urban development.
Situation in our cities and towns, especially Serekunda and Brikama, are growing in a discontinuous, scattered and low density, which is not sustainable. Due to the lack of appropriate urban planning, these cities and towns are expanding to endless peripheries. These cities are with very low residential densities.
At a national level, we need to push for a holistic city development, climate action plans and implementation strategy to look at human settlement and urbanization process in order to minimize the number of people who are living in slum conditions in Ibo Town, Kutukuare, Tobacco Road noticeably.
The National Habitat Committee on Housing and Urban Development, now armed with a mandate to strengthen their national services, are said to be closely monitored for better performance in urban planning.
Gambia is very small. We all know who are the ones delivering. We all know who are the ones who are not working.
Babukar Kamara, GRTS.
A number of top international musicians have arrived in the Gambia in time for the official opening of the 11th edition of the International Roots Homecoming Festival. Earlier today, two members of the organizing committee of the Roots Festival, Lamin Kamara and Tombong Sedi, updated GRTS on the arrival of the leading names in international music, among them Mutabaruka and others.
Good evening, Gambia. We are pleased to inform you that we had the arrival of the guests from diaspora. People like Matubaruka with Dr. Rashid and Dr. Gavi. This is no speculation. This is live and direct at the Independence Stadium. We'll have the other guests arriving 1 p.m. tonight. So we're expecting all the Gambians to come in their large numbers to make it reality. This is for you, live and direct in the Gambia. The ticketing aspect will be mentioned by my colleague, Mr. Sedi, who will tell you how it will run down at the Independence Stadium. I thank you all. Welcome to you all.
Thank you, Mr. Kamara. Like he said, the Roots Festival have started honestly. Tomorrow is the musical jamboree. And now we'll be having Mutabaruka there, Scratchulos and Princess, Sizzla, our own Jaliba Kuyate, and many other Gambian artists. The tickets are set and ready, so everybody should start going to the stadium tomorrow 9 o'clock in the morning to start purchasing the tickets. We don't want to have long lines, long queues there for the entrance. So we urge everybody to go early and get their tickets so that they will get in without much of a hustle. Again, tomorrow is the beginning and the big musical jamboree with Mutabaruka, Sizzla, and all the Jaliba Kuyate and all the other international artists. I hope all of you will be there and start to kick off the Roots Festival. Thank you.
Thank you. Tombong Sedi there, and before him, Lamin Kamara. Sangajor Basic High School in Fonyi Kansala has taken delivery of an assortment of learning materials courtesy of a German couple. Hadija Tujalo has more on that handing over ceremony, graced by the Honorable Abdullah Bojang, Speaker of the National Assembly.
It was a joyous moment for the principal, staff and pupils of Sangajor Basic Cycle School as they received for the first time Wolfgang von Salsen and wife Karim after rendering series of support to the school. The latest assistance from the Dutch couple to the school came in the form of a 40-foot container loaded with an assortment of learning materials. Honorable Speaker Abdullah Bojang applauded all those who coordinated this gesture as he explained how the relationship came into being.
Some 3 years ago, when he was in Bremen, he consulted Karfa to say, what do you think we that are outside should do so that we have our impact on our home? Karfa could not say anything but said, I would like you to give me time and I think about what I should reply. Because the world is a universal village, Germany cannot be progressive, and my home, the Gambia, remains backward. So if a child is crawling and an elderly and mature person is walking, help the child that is crawling to be able to walk. And this is why Ansumana came in with Mr. Wolfgang and the wonderful wife.
The Honorable Abdoulaye Bojang posited that these learning materials will help empower our future leaders.
The school's marriage with the Bremen family is very important because it is you, the children, that it starts with. Empowering you intellectually so that you will be able to get skills tomorrow that will make you fully independent as individuals and will make you productive enough to work for your community and beyond your primary community, Sangajor, but to serve the whole of the Gambia and the whole of Africa.
Alcalo of Sangajor, Malamin Bojang, in his welcome remarks, expressed appreciation to their German friends for the continuous support they have been offering to the community, coordinated by Ansumana Swa. Several other speakers joined Alcalo Bojang in commending the philanthropists, arguing that the relationship will be nurtured to grow from strength to strength.
To some of you, this may be the first time you are in the picture of what Ansumana's intervention have been. But I want to let you know that this is not the first time Ansumana have been giving a supportive hand to the government of the day. Because if I quote what the speaker rightly mentioned, the government have created the enabling environment. So it's the responsibility of every citizen, for that matter, to also contribute your quota to the welfare of the nation.
As a token of appreciation, Sangajor Basic Cycle also presented a certificate to their German friends, and for the school principal, the interventions are a worthy cause.
Prior to today's event, this particular group and friends from Germany donated furniture to the school, installed electricity also to the school, and helped in the rehabilitation of a 4-classroom block by providing corrugated iron sheets, wood, nails, as well as cement to surface the veranda for our grade 1 block.
At this point, I feel great and honor to inform you that our association with you has earned recognition within the district, within the district and in the region of West Coast as a whole. We'll forge ahead and strengthen our collaboration in education, health and agriculture for a better living.
Wolfgang von Salzen thanked the school for the warm welcome accorded to him. Attesting to the friendly nature of Gambians, he pledged more support in the pipeline, including a computer center. The colorful ceremony was punctuated by drama and cultural performances. Khadijatu Jallow, GRTS.
We'll be back with news from outside the Gambia after this break. Stay tuned.
Gambia, Damane, Bentum Reume Ote, the Gambia Radio and Television Services, GRTS. GRTS Staff Association, Italy. His Excellency the President, Chair Professor Al-Haji Dr. Yahya AJJ Jammeh, no fast Kene Sumbu, Chikalum Banquet Dinner, a grand dance with a difference. Bufikeja Amsufi Muse Amsakh, on the 23rd of May, and on the 24th of May 2014, Setiki Penchami Hall, featuring the now happening Queen of Malakh, Titi Safnepa, Titi, Damane Titi, Bare Rajahe Penchami Hall. You've never seen her on stage like this before. Titi, by popular demand. Dipari Joy Mostoli, Anak Aindanan artist Fiji Reumi. Tickets, Gala, Platinum, $60,000 Diamond, $50,000 Gold, $40,000 and the individual, $1,000 Grand dance ticket, $500 and $300 flat. For all reservations, please call 991-1993-6558-203-1850-682-9536. Suñu réew Gambia.
Welcome back.